If you were in the last bull market and you went through the bear market as well, you understand that one of the biggest things that we've seen was the Apecoin launch. And it was honestly unlike heard of what they've done, right? And they basically launched on every single exchange that was known to man and seemed like, Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, just everywhere. It was available in every place and they had a ton of money in order to do so, right? And that was just unheard of. It never happened before. It was something where typically you would have a couple of exchanges, but this was the biggest thing since sliced bread. It was supposed to be the next biggest thing. Now, this video is not about Apecoin. This video is about the concept of launching on so many different places, developing popularity, getting in a lot of people's heads as a valuable project, and then everybody looks at it as that for the future. Now, during that time, metaverses, yes, they were building up and things were looking great, but we were also kind of trending on the downturn of the overall bull market, where we see things are starting to fall down from that $3 trillion market cap overall. And now we have a lot of hype around memes within this bull market. And if we could find a meme that decides to develop that same strategy, that's something that could be a recipe for success. And honestly, I think we've seen that with Book of Meme. Now, I was very skeptical in the beginning, and I'll explain why as I go, through this video. But I was extremely skeptical. But before we get into the rest of this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description as well. Don't forget about if you guys want to sign up for MargX and start trading leverage up to 100x leverage on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on BNB, 50x leverage on XRP, and others. Feel free to hit that link down below and sign up for MargX today. It does, give me a kickback on the channel, which is a big support for the channel. They're a partner with the channel, so thank you guys for doing that. But they honestly are a really, really good platform, so definitely check them out. But like I said, I was very skeptical of Book of Meme. And the reason why I was skeptical was because of, the fact that it was growing by so much. Anytime you see something that grows by that much from the start, it's like, okay, this has to be like a really, really low market cap thing that absolutely picked up from there. And it's not going to last for long. But then also, I was like, all right, well, let me give it a little bit of a chance. Let me look into this a little bit. And I started looking at the website, and the website didn't really show me anything that was like, yeah, this is definitely it. But then I started to get into like where it was launching on. And I think that was kind of the tipping point where it was like, this definitely has a level of security, a level of popularity, a push, volume, everything that we want to see within a meme coin. Why not, right? The only thing is that now it has grown by so much, and now I have to find a way to dollar cost average into the position. Luckily, the entire crypto market kind of collapsed the last couple of days. So we see Book of Meme that's running up, and then it starts to dive down, and starts to dive down more, which gives me opportunities to purchase. But if we look at where Book of Meme is right now, it's actually up on the day. It's up by 15%. We saw it at a low level of about 1 cent on the day, but we are looking at around a $700 million market cap with $2.2 billion worth of volume. Still seeing the volume to market cap ratio showing an insane amount of popularity. And this is what I mean. When you have things that launch, or a project that launches or has it available as its own coin market cap with so many exchanges, 92 pairings right now, MEXC, BingX, Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Gate.io, so many different pairings that it has available that people can purchase this position. Honestly, it does create a ton of popularity, and that's where we look at it and we go, yeah, this is definitely that. So yesterday I talked about how I had 98,000 Book of Meme, and literally within that video I said I probably will end this video buying more Book of Meme. And during the live stream, people noticed that I did have a little bit more that's there because I had it over on Coin Market Cap. And you can see that right below the price. You're going to see my crypto. I have $2,588.28 worth of Book of Meme. Now, this is more than a lot of other positions that are there. It's more than Anchor. It's more than Cosmos. It's more than a lot of positions that I do have. Now, why is that? It shows so much opportunity with the popularity that it has. Not because of the use case, because it doesn't have one. It's because of the popularity. Like if I go into this is what kind of threw me off, right? If I go into the website and you see the website, it's very generic. It's like you just took a white piece of paper and you just pasted everything on there with some memes and then called it a website. Like this is something that I would build in Dreamweaver back in 2011 when I was in college, right? So, like, honestly, this just threw me off. But then when I started to go into it and I looked at all the different places that it was available on and the talk about it being listed on Binance, I was like, it's a no-brainer. So I decided to get into that play. Got 98,000 as of yesterday, and as you saw that it dropped down to about a 1 cent price, I decided to buy more at 1 cent, sort of 1 cent flat, maybe a little bit above 1 cent, but not 1.1 cents. So somewhere around that level. But if we go and look at my portfolio and what I do have here, let's scroll down here and let's look at Book of Meme, which I have again $2,598, which I am slightly down on my overall play, but I'm down $2.03 or so. But the point is that it's up a massive amount over the last, what is this, 30 days or 7 days? Over the last 7 days, it's up 1,272% and 14% today. So I decided to average into that play. It was up to a 1.3, $1.4 billion market cap, something like that. Ended up decreasing down. And when I saw it get down to 2 cents, I bought a little bit. When I saw it get down to 1.5, I bought a little bit. When I saw it get down to 1 cent, I bought a little bit. And you know what? If it decides to go lower than that and get to like a $300 million market cap, I will buy more of it. Now, the reason why I'm not like super bullish on this to where I'm the most bullish out of anything that I own, because I still am very bullish on XRP, very bullish on Jasmine Coin, very bullish on Grok as a meme coin and all of that. But when it comes to Book of Meme, the reason why I do have more of a bullish sentiment is because I feel as though there's so much hype around this. There's so much popularity that it will be in the conversation during this bull market because it's happening before the bull market and getting established and being that kind of Apecoin like run, Apecoin like move by having all of these exchanges that it's available on. So it shows a level of security, it shows a level of popularity, and that's what made me very interested in it. So I just wanted to show you guys exactly why I'm a fan of what they have there. Again, it's nothing more than a meme. It's not really saying it will have a use case, but being able to be invested in a play that could potentially run and be the meme coin of the year could possibly, I'm not saying it would be, but could be the meme coin of the year, especially percentage wise from where it started. It's very, very interesting to me. So I want to be a part of that. I want to have some sort of input to it. So let me know what you think about it. Do you have any of the position? I currently have 200. If you look at how much I currently have 207,765 BOME in my possession. And I wouldn't be surprised if it did find a way to decrease a little bit more, that I probably would have more in the next couple of days. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.